Hi folks, it's Chet from Tag Along with Chet again. Well, it's the next day and it's a beautiful day out there. It's on a Thursday. In the background you might be able to hear I've got my aircraft heater engine preheat on. It was about 10 below in here when I came in. It's supposed to come up to about 5 below, but you can probably tell with my breath that I haven't heated the office here at all, because hopefully in another 15 or so minutes I'll open her up and take the airplane out. Anyway, we'll see how it works out, and we're going to head out to Claresholm and go out for a bit of lunch out there with the boys, and maybe buy Charles some lunch, because he deserves it for what he did last night, and getting the airplane back to snuff again. Well, I got the bird going, so that's a good start. Just waiting for her to warm up now. Started just like that, click, no problem. So it's just sitting on idle here now, and just adjust a few things here. Okay, well, let's taxi her out to the run-up area. Okay, we're just going to wait until the oil temperature gets up to snuff a bit here. It's as you saw, it was only 67 degrees, and yeah, I like to get it up to at least about 80 degrees Fahrenheit in there. So we'll just wait for that to happen before we start doing the run-up, and we'll just do the rest of our pre-flight here. Okay, got the flight plan go, or whatever that app is, all set up here, going from my home base in Vulcan down to Claresholm. So got that in there, and on my other little one out there, I've got it set as well. So we're all ready to go here. Just have to do the run-up.
Hi folks, it's CHET here. We landed in Claresholm, and we took off out of Claresholm, and now we're back in Vulcan. I don't know, I've got a camera here. I got a panel mount camera. It's this one here. I'll show it to you. That one right there. And I don't know how much of that thing is working, I tell you the honest truth. It's been a while since I've actually started taking pictures again, or videos in the airplane, since, well, it's just been so darn cold and miserable to go flying. So anyway, the problem with the airplane, as you probably saw in the last couple of episodes, has been remedied. And it was actually the circuit breaker at fault. It seems that they do wear out, even though they don't pop. Every time they pop, I guess they wear out. But anyway, this particular one, it didn't pop. It didn't do anything. It just sat there and it looked pretty, and it looked like it was working, but apparently it wasn't. So we just switched things around a bit. Anyway, we're back, and got another hours of flying in, you might say. So I'm a pretty happy camper because it was such a wonderful day. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and subscribe, like, do the normal thing, you know, hit that little button on the bottom there that says subscribe, that nice happy face of mine. Just click on that and it'll tell you what to do as well. So we'll see you the next time. Thanks for watching. Bye now.